తర్వాత మొబైల్ ఉంటుంది నేను చెప్తాను. ఓకే.
Yeah, welcome Sampath sir. Good morning. And
join an organization or club that
now I
works
request
towards protecting
Nakka
and
Venkat.
Same కదా, same
Venkat.
రాయాలి.
join
sir.
Yeah, please invite our guests.
Okay, good morning all, sir. Today we are entering into day 6 program conducted by ELTA Nalgonda and Diet Nalgonda. It is online course program based on ICT tools in language teaching. Today our session is related to animation videos. Our guest today is Mr. Sampath Kumar Kokkula, and today topic is on animation videos. We all know about the importance of animation videos in the education field. The quality of education can be improved with the inclusion of animations in classroom teaching. Any concept can be presented lively and visually engaging manner. It is scientifically proved that a process dynamically illustrated can be retained in memory for longer duration compared to oral memory. And we also know about the learning pyramid. So lecture method, reading method, audio visual method. Audio is visual method is better than lecture method and reading method. 20% of memory is retention by audio visual method. So it is very important in teaching. I am very happy to have the privilege to introduce our guest, Mr. Sampath Kumar Sir Kokkula, who is eminent personality among our teaching community. I introduce Mr. Sampath Kumar Sir. Sampath Kumar Kokkula, General Secretary of ELTA, Warangal Urban. He is working as a teacher of English at ZPHS Sita Rampur, Kottakonda, Bhimadevarapalli Mandal, Warangal Urban District. He was appointed in Karimnagar District and now working in Warangal Urban. He is a state resource person and he is also a script writer and presenter for the digital lessons telecasted through TSAT Vidya channel. He completed online courses from TIS, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai, and US Embassy sponsored American English e-teacher scholarship program. He is the teacher educator for the Connective Learning Initiative program. He presented research papers of ELT in seminars on various platforms. He has submitted his report of action research titled Learning Language Through Indigenous Program to British Council. He presently working under the guidance of Vinayadhar Raju sir, Connecting Classroom project sponsored by USIEF, United States India Education Foundation. He acted as a coordinator for 23 webinars, conferences conducted by ELTA Telangana and 18 online meetings and mini conference from ELTA Warangal Urban during this COVID-19 pandemic situation. Now he is a mentor in the ELEC, English Language Enrichment course, online course for primary school teachers conducted by SCRT Telangana in collaboration with Azim Premji University. He is using digital tools in his online classroom for students. Today he deals a session on animated videos for ESL classroom. Sir, Sampath sir, welcome sir. You can take your session.
Thank you, Venkateshwar sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. And I thank my dear friends, mainly Mr. Narendra Reddy. He has invited me to take part in this program. And I congratulate all the people who are there and officials and the ELTA team, Nalgonda, and all my friends. Welcome to my session. So I would like to share my views regarding animated videos. Is it visible, Anna? My screen is okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
My mobile is not connecting actually. That's what some problem and also some difficulty. Sorry for the delay. I apologize for that. So now the topic is animated videos with Twincraft and Toontastic. Really, children and adult, everyone likes videos of animated videos, animation, and the things related to it. So our host invited us. So thank you very much. And it is clear. I am from Warangal Urban, and I would like to share my feelings with Diet Nalagonda and Alta Nalagonda teachers of English. So my topic is animated video. I would like to interact with you for a few minutes, and please respond in chat box. So by that, I will know some interaction. By that, will get active. So here one picture is shown on the screen. So could you please, what is this? Please type in box what is shown on the picture. Okay, thank you. From Diet Nalgonda, Nakka Venkateshwar sir, Sirisha ma'am, very nice. Sumani, okay. Bhuma Venkateshwar sir, Srinivas Reddy sir. So everyone knows, not children, size adult. As teachers, we all know what is this. So where do you find this picture, sir? Please, sir, type in the chat box. Where do you find? Where do you see? Disney, Mickey Mouse, very nice. Disney, okay. Cartoon show, very nice. Very nice, sir. Sir, do you like the character?
Anita.
Do you like? Yes, yes, everyone saying yes. Why? Why? One more question to you. Actually, I would like to means interact. For that only I am asking. Attractive, catchy, comic. Okay, the poster itself that looks welcoming you. Welcome you all to the session, and it is a Mickey Mouse, and it is funny, very interesting, very funny, very comic, interesting, very nice, sir. One more picture I would like to show you. So, can you find who is he? Can you recognize? Yes, not Joker. Who is that? Walt Disney. Very nice. Very nice. The character is created by Walt Disney. He is the creator. So very nice. Very nice. Okay. Here is the thing. I would like to one more thing I would like to show you. So this is the picture. So what do you get when you see this? What do you get in your mind? What is there on the screen? Who are they? So just now we have seen that Walt Disney's character, but here who are they? Tom and Jerry. Yes, very nice. How is it? What are they doing actually? Are they friends? Are they enemies? Real life? And what are they doing on the screen? They are planning and fighting, playing and fighting enemies. They are not friends actually, but they are shaking hands. Shaking hands like friends. But what is the hidden agenda? What they want to do? Friendly foes, naughty friends. Very good, very good. So you see how Tom and Jerry is looking. They are looking dignified and funny, happy and blinking eye also towards us. And what is there behind them? They are okay. Big for tat, stick. Very good. Okay, so we can expect what happens next. What happens, sir? Though they are shaking hands, the next moment, what happens? The Tom and Jerry's fighting starts, or they chase each other. Yes, very nice. Fighting, plot, fighting, very good. One more thing, sir. Okay, right, sir. Thank you. Thank you for sharing on chart. And here, I would like to share one point that here, before Disney, there was a person who has introduced cartoons in the world to the world, and he is nothing but French cartoonist, animator, Emile Cole. Is often referred to as the father of the animated cartoons. So this is for information I am giving here, and you can find who is he. Please use your chat box. You know very well. He's a director. Who is that? Rajamouli. Everyone knows. The world knows. Why he is famous? Why he is famous? Why is he famous? Yes, S.S. Rajamouli. Everyone knows. He's a director. Why he is famous in the world? Graphics. Okay, special effects, graphics, animations, everything. He has used innovative way, VFX, very good. Bahubali, because of Bahubali, his creativity, very nice, very nice. So because of his creativity, he is famous, and his animation, his thinking, and everything. So he became a director in India and also the world. So you see the character he is created, but is it real actually? Is it created? So with visual effects, it is created, special effects, yes, it is animated, and it is not, but we feel it is real. So right. One more thing. So nice, sir. His creativity made him very great person. Like that, our students also, we can, teachers and students become a great creators. Here one character is on the screen. So who is that? Doraemon, very nice. Everyone knows. Though here children are not there, but everyone is alert that they can say who are there and why. What is the specialty of Doraemon? So you can find some other characters of that show, cartoon show. That is, some characters are there. If you know, please type their name also. Whom the character helps? Means Doraemon helps whom? Whom did he? Gadgets. He always brings out gadgets to help whom? Nobita. Very nice. Nobita, how he is a clever boy or means slow learner? Is he clever or a slow learner? Why he faces problems? Is a slow learner, but with the help of Doraemon, he always become magical in the classroom, and other characters also very helpful. And sometimes there is a fighting. And one more question I would like to ask you: have you watched these cartoon shows? Is it a 3D one or a 2D one? Do you find 2D or 3D? Is a slow learner and we will get fun. So why do you watch 2D only? Yes, very nice. So have you ever watched this show on the TV? Yes or no? Yes or no, please. I watched this. I watched. Yes. Why you have watched? So what was the reason? Do you like cartoons, or else by chance, by hook or crook, by your son's interest? My kids watch it. Okay, very nice. So because of their interest, we became means viewers. And so, did you enjoy? Did you enjoy? Yes, like cartoon, learn English. Yeah. Yes, everyone enjoys. As an adult, so we know the language they speak and everything, the characters deliver everything. So if they are used in our classroom also, it will be very nice, and we can make use of these cartoon shows in our classrooms. It gives message to kids. Yes. Okay. Very nice, sir. Very nice. Oh, one more thing. One more picture I want to show you. This is related to 3D actually. What is that? What is that? Lion King. Very good. Lion King is a famous show. So we can, so it's a series of means. Very good. Very nice. So one more picture I have shown on the screen. Can you say what is the movie name? Ice Age. Very good. Series of movies are there of Ice Age. If the children watch this kind of movies, films, everyone can enjoy. Right? They get means languages. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your interaction on chat box. So you are very much means active. Took active role in interacting each other, and this is the thing we need. Actually, animations or animated videos make our classroom means energetic, and we can say the children will enjoy as well as we can do everything means eliciting all the skills and developing language skills, we can make use of these things. How far we can successful during this time, we will see. So one more slide I would like to show. Okay, what is the need, whether it is needed in the classroom or not? So if you say, is it helpful? So is there a need of animations in the classroom? Yes, yes, everyone expects. Okay, so we are fortunate that the COVID-19 has given our a chance to learn all these things. It is a need for online learning, online teaching. So we have to update ourselves. We have to learn that all these things, and because of that only, for our future classroom, there is no way we have to go with technology, and there is no replacement with technology. A teacher may not be replaced by technology, but we can do many things with technology. So this pandemic situation has created a scope for learning and teaching. So we have to realize ourselves, and I is for us, everyone is doing well and doing great also. And whether if we find a question that whether it is accessibility is there, or whether we can reach our children, maybe it decides the readiness and possibility. We can say 80%, someone said. Okay, okay, right, Shirisha ma'am. Very good. Already she has tried. Come on. Okay, very good, sir. Okay. So most of the children, recently we did a project, most of the teachers from Nalgonda also, we tried with the children also. They are using about 18 tools and learned through online only. And we can say, as we have discussed, they are digital natives. So they are in the world with mobiles only. So we are migrants, we are learning something, but children can learn everything, and the mobiles are available for them, and these apps are available, and web browsing tools also available. They can easily learn and make use of all these things, and the teaching learning process also very easy if the thing goes on like this, and we can make use of all these things. Here all this needed that creative brain for works for new things to happen. So we should get new ideas in our mind. By that, the children and teacher, everyone can create new things. So that is I would like to say. So here, show up in your creative space and give yourself time to make yourself at home. Your creativity will show up too. So this is the thing. A teacher is a source of light. Teacher can create creative brains of future. This is my statement. By this, I would like to enter into our actual topic. That
Sampath
is,
sir,
sir.
sorry. Now and then we could not hear your voice. No, no.
Yeah. So due to maybe connectivity issue.
Connectivity, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So I'm trying. I'm keeping my microphone near to my mouth only, though
Okay,
it is okay. Right. Okay, I will try through my mobile also. If it is connected, I will do it. Okay, on the screen it is shown a logo. So that is of TwinCraft. So many of you, because we have discussed these things in our webinars, so many of our friend teachers have tried and experimented what we can do. Our teachers also did well and using this app. Okay, this is a logo appears on a mobile. We can this is a mobile app actually, so we can download it on our mobile through Play Store, and also we can make use of this thing. So if we make our children learn this tool, so they can make wonders. It is proved, and we can create many conversations, skits, dialogues, and also many more using this app. Very interesting. And Narendra Anna is the first person who has used earlier using our 6th class lesson, and he created a video and posted in all groups, and it was a wonderful thing. And Rai Kumar sir and other teachers like Vanaja, our Manchir Kalyani ma'am, like that, many teachers are using TwinCraft. So it is very useful and it is upgraded. some advertisements also included, and some upgradation is available. Okay, thank you. Next thing, if we go to this app, we can find these characters. So we can choose any character. Here it is showing like a video logo or icon. It is showing 1, 2, 3 like numbers. That is nothing but to download this character, we have to watch one ad. So like that they have created this app, and if we watch that ad only, we can download this character. Like this one video like that. Here 2 videos for G2, and this mini character 2 videos we have to watch. So already download arrow mark is there, that is already watched, and we can make use of that one. Is it clear Anna? Now?
Yeah, it is clear.
Okay, right.
You can continue.
Okay. So like this, we can find any character for creation of our animated videos. So these are some backgrounds which can be used for our background of our map. So here bus stand, camp, date, dock, whatever the situation if you want to create. So we can make use of this thing, and it is very interesting that so the characters will be added in that situation, and we can add the characters, text, and the voice also. The important and the major thing in this is, so a single person as a male or a female, if we record it, so according to the character, the voice is converted into male and female voice. So this is the added advantage of this app. For that, so you need not to go for other characters to speak. So it is very easy, and we can make use of this app effectively in our classroom. So my dear teachers, everyone you try, and once introduce this app to your children, and they make wonders with that. So here we can add text also, the bubbling characters, and whatever the character speaks we can add in it, adding text. I will show on mobile also. So here some screenshots I have taken. So it is not accessible on the desktop, and we can not share the voice also. So to introduce it, I am showing these things. So later I will go for hands-on experience. Okay, next one. Here I will show the video of TwinCraft and Toontastic. One more thing I would like to introduce here, one more app. This is Toontastic. This is a creation of Google, and everyone can make use of this one, and very fantastic one. It is a free web tool, as well as it is introduced as an app, and it can be used to create so many videos and stories also. So the you can give some input to the children. They can imagine and they make stories, and they play with the characters, and they can add voice and create many interesting stories. Okay, I will show the evidences of these things also, and it is a wonderful thing to share with you. And here Google has launched this one, Toontastic 3D app. It is a free app. We can make use of these things for children and adults. The application allows kids to create animated videos for use in school projects, short stories, and design some pictures means or just to explore their creativity. So many things we can do, and plans also, science plans also we can create using Toontastic. And here Google describes the application as a digital puppet theater. It's a Google platform actually. Here puppets we make use of things, and instead of using puppets online and using this app, we can create like puppets. They appear, and the characters will speak and according to the situation. This is also a very interesting app, and this looks like this one, the background. If we can insert the characters, whatever the thing we need. So like this story arc is available, like 3-story arc and 5-story arc, and also science experiments also we can explain. Okay, Shirisha ma'am is means using chart, and she has used parts of speech and Plotagon app also she has used, and very nice ma'am. And we can report if you want to project report, if you want to give like that, we can take question step, hypothesis step, and have experiment step and result step, and the conclusion. So we can give using this app. And we can add music as well as in 2D app like TwinCraft. In this also it is available, and interesting music, and we can add like that. So the means facility is not available in this that comparingly with TwinCraft. That is so the voice is not modulated or converted into female and male. So it is whatever we record, that also that only will be played in this TuneTest. But in TwinCraft, the voice is changed according to the characters. That is the facility will get in 2D app, and here 3D app. So that is not available. Okay, I will show some videos also if possible, and we will go for hands-on experience, and by that everyone can understand. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I'm stop sharing my screen, and later we will go for hands-on experience. Thank you all. And here I would like to share my okay. Now if you type on the browser Toontastic, we can get the details of this 3D app. So let us see what is there and what is available on the browser. Like this it appears, and if you want to know about 3D app, just type it, and here if you click, so like this it appears, and all these details are available. If you want to know, go further and to explore, these are the things available, and one by one I would like to explain you, and later you can use it. So this is means open page, here main page. Here these three things are discussed here. That is, who can use this one, or for what it can be used, or why. So here the future authors, directors, musicians, inventors, and anyone else who wants to turn their brilliant ideas into 3D cartoons can be used. Who can be used means adult or children, everyone can use. The only thing is needed brilliant idea. So idea can change everything. An idea can change our lives like that. So we can create many things using this app. And what can be made with this? So with Toontastic 3D, you can draw, animate, and narrate swashbuckling adventures, breaking news stories, science reports, what else? Everything, many things we can do. And why? So here Google is providing us and making us storytellers and of all ages, and it wants to megaphone our creativity. Means so whatever the talents we have, we can make use of creating these videos. So that is the opportunity is provided by Google. So here is a promo video is available here. So let us watch this one.
It was a dark and stormy night when suddenly a terrifying monster. Cut! We need a monster! Yeah, how about... it's you! Cool! He needs a scary friend! If it bangs! We're gonna get you! Roar! Ah! Tap play.
This is the promo video of Google Toontastic, and we can make 2-minute, 3-minute videos simply, and available means these characters we can make use of and make wonders with our creativity. And this is one thing. And here try telling stories about friends by recalling characters and adding photos. So we can make use of photos also in this, and we can change the color, and also we can add photos like this, and the faces we can change there, and that is the available feature in this. And here some other what can we do, it is given: design characters, plot your story, animate and narrate, like this, designing characters. And 1 minute, in 1 minute we can plot your story. We can create like this 3-way story, 5-way story, and this is classy one, this is short one, and science reports we can make use of. And here these are the classic for science report we can make use of. Like this, plotting story is possible using this app. And animate and narrate. So you see, it is very easy. All the characters, if we can give life to all the animated characters, and we can hold the character and talk as the character is speaking. And the soundtrack is also available. We can make use of the sound and change the voice levels, and we can add the range of according to the mood of the character and the situation. We can change the music. And one more facility is there, that is you want to share it, and we have to save it on our mobile. Easily we can export it, then it can be shared with others. So like this, everyone can make use of this app and make wonders. And yes, you can make that. So here some examples are given on this platform. So here this is epic capers, historical films, mysteries, social lessons, cooking shows, silent films, school reports, fan fiction, family flicks, buddy films, scientific, documentaries, memes. So like this, whatever the thing related to our classroom are. So here documentary, for documentary they have given one video example. So let us see.
Bye, Mom and Dad. Bye-bye. I love you so much. I go to school. Okay, bye, kids. Bye, Dad. Bye. Hi, Mrs. Applecider. Oh, I think the Pledge of Allegiance is ready. Please rise and stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. 3, 2, 1. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
So like this,
At
so
home,
many examples are there.
at school, and in my
So social issues, mysteries, historical films, capers, social lessons, and adventurous mysteries. So like this, many things we can do. So let us see. One more example is given. It is created by children only.
Ma'am, I'm sorry to interrupt, but I think we found what we've been looking for.
is that so?
Yes, ma'am.
Which direction is it in?
Behind me, ma'am. It's in the direction behind me.
If we leave now, will we arrive by morning?
Yes, ma'am, but it is the middle of the night.
I'm very well aware of that, but we leave now. Let's go.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am. This is it, ma'am. It should be straight ahead, ma'am.
Thank you, Betched. Let's go.
up here. Check if it's safe.
Okay, this is the thing. Hello, and I will stop sharing and I will make use of my mobile, and I will show you how we can make use of our mobile to create all these things. So I'm showing on my mobile. So just we go for mobile store, Play Store, and we can download. So as usual. So here I have downloaded this Tweencraft. First column you see, the last one, fourth app. So that is there, Tweencraft. So once I will show that Tweencraft. So this looks like this, and the open page is like this. Oops, but need not to worry, we can create a story. Just click it. If we get back, what happens, you see once. So this is our account, home. This is if you have any challenges, we can keep here. And this is our story if you want to add or get back. And also this is notifications, and this is our account. So these are the things, some videos I have prepared using Tweencraft. So like this we can. So when we enter into this world, so just the screen, open screen appears like this, the yellow screen and with white dots. And here once you see, back is there, undo is there, and the right side top corner tips are there, and what we get, you see. So how can we make these videos? We will get some videos and tips, and we can make use of these things to learn about this app. Okay, and this is exporting means we can share with others using this arrow mark, and sound, we can add sound according to the situation. And this is play button. So here if we click it, the white violet patch with arrow mark, and we will get all these things: characters, backgrounds, add music, add text, import image, and import GIF. So here if we go for characters, you see, so like this already we have discussed it. So all these characters available according to situation. Whenever we need, we can select, we choose them, and we can make use of these characters. So here I am clicking this one, there is no ad. So, all other characters have one ad, so but this character is not having any ad. So we can use this one, moving heads, so hands, heads, like this, and like this we can use. Just using my finger I am doing all these things, and also sitting and standing and walking also, and moving that person here and there. So this is the funny thing the children can enjoy. And also we speak, hello, how are you, my friends, what are you doing? So like this we can record the voice of the character, and if we play it, we can so it is on mobile, it is playing, so it may not be shared. So we
Include
can
system audio, Sampath sir.
Anna,
You can include system audio.
where?
So we can't hear the voice of that character.
So where we have to add that one?
You go to microphone, switch to phone audio. On Zoom microphone symbol,
Okay, wait. have to stop sharing, no?
Microphone. Beside microphone symbol, you have some options.
No, I'm not getting anything, no?
System audio. Sorry, phone audio. Switch to phone audio.
Okay, Anna, it is not connected actually.
Okay, leave it. Sampath sir, okay, then
Okay, okay, Anna.
yeah, continue. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Like this, we can add the characters and also backgrounds. So like this, they ask us to watch the video.
మరి సపోర్ట్ అనే వేసుకోలేదు కొన్ని రోజులు అట్లా ఉంటదిలే అని మరి నవీన్ అన్న కూడా అట్లనే అంటున్నావు
Madam. So like this, we can add our background and also characters here. So already I have taken this one. Here we can move it and the character we can add here in first situation. So if we speak like this, and it will be added. And later it is if you want to keep it, we can keep it. Otherwise, we can remove the audio also, and we can add audio. And also we can use suppose so next situation if you want to take, and we can add some more moods here. And he is wearing glasses, and he can so jump here or move here, and so he play here, and we can say hello, how are you, like this. So we can make him enjoy there, and this is processed like this. We can add one more situation. We can add some characters, other characters here. So what is free? Nothing is free, I think. Here. Okay, here we can add music, happiness, and add text also. Here if we type it, so we can add text according to the situation. And here we can take that audio also, whatever it is said by the character, we can add the text. And what else? And we have we can import the image also. Here from our mobile we can make use of any downloads or anything whatever there. So from gallery. So we can take any photo. So like this, my daughter is doing something. Suppose I have taken this image. So like this, we can add pictures also if we need, like a poster. So this boy wants to say about this thing. We can add audio, and so recently, means yesterday's, I think, what is the player poem? It is designed by our teachers only, D.D. Yadagiri. So like this, we can insert our images also, and we can explain them. So GIF files also we can use. So if they are available, we can make use of. Otherwise, we can't. Okay. So like this, the character is added, and the means voice also added. And the next thing is export. How can we share with others? And here, as I said, we can add music. And here, if we play button, if we click it, it will get. Otherwise, if you want to remove it, you can remove. And here, export, it acts, it allow. We have to accept it, and we have to give one tag. Select language also, and we can share it or download it. So in our mobile, so like this, it will be downloaded. After downloading, we can share it with our friends. So like this. So this is about fantastic video. So according to situation, we can bring many characters and add many things. The modes we can change, and the voice also we can change. And for conversations, drama scripts, and other things, interviews. So it is very much useful for our teaching learning process. Okay. So now okay, it is finished. It is downloaded. Okay, it is compressing video, and in few seconds it will be downloaded. Okay, so it is done. So now saving movie. After saving this movie, and we can share it to our friends, and maybe we can make use of in the classroom. Almost it is done. Okay. Okay. Now I am leaving this one. I'm stopping the screen of mobile, and just a minute, I will like to show you. Okay. One more interesting app we have discussed that one. So that you can see here in third column, Toontastic. So if we use on mobile, it can be shown like this. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Is it audible now? Okay. Okay. So like this, if we click it and we can get, and you may not get audio actually, as Anna said. And here we can find, as I have explained, so we can create short story with 3 parts, and a classic story with 5 parts, and a science report with 5 parts. And if you go for 3 short story, how it looks, we will show you. And this is the beginning and middle and the end of the story. So we can give any input to the children, and start ask them to think, and they can create the beginning and middle and ending, like in a story. So what are the things needed, and what characters are needed, like that. If we give some inputs, they can select the characters, and they start the story in the beginning. Then in the middle, they will raise a problem, and they think for the solution, and later they discuss, the story goes on, and at the end they get solution, like this. So creating a story, it will be very easy. If you say you create a story, they may not get interest. If ask them to use this app and create a story using different situations, they can easily make use of this app and create many videos. So here, if you click it the beginning, it looks like this, and up here, these are the some backgrounds available. So readily available backgrounds we can make use of. As we have seen, this is classroom background. So here we can make use of these characters, all these characters available. And here, if you want to add character, here I have taken one character, and this is George. You see, we can make use of her. Good morning, good morning. Start. If you start your scene here, 3, 2, 1. Hello, how are you? Hello, 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 hello. Like this, we can touch that character, and we can add the audio. So that is recording, and here the girl is. Oh, I'm waiting. I am. There, so it is a beginning. And if you want to add some more character also, we can add in the beginning only, like this. It will be recorded, and it is going on recording. And here you see, we can add this much time we can do. And also I have stopped there, and this is so it is getting like this. And we can change the music also, confident, like this. Passionate, hysterical, rebellious, and terrified. Like this, we can add music to the situation. So like this, first scene is over, and we can go for the second scene. And here we can add some more characters and dialogues. And like this, in the middle, we will get so again it looks like it appears like this, and the same classroom situation. Now we have to add some more. Already the character is there, and one more character I will look to take, and this may be teacher, and these 3 things available. And this man is here, and this girl maybe towards so like this. So here this character is looking for the children, and this is like this. So here we can start and ask them to speak whatever they want to. 2, 3, 1, start. So children, let us go out and we have to search for the things, and like this we can add the dialogues, and these children are moving. Sir, okay, okay, we are moving like this, they say, and we can change the means scenes also. Here you see they can move from here and there, and this character also can change like this, they are moving. Okay, move. So we can add audio to that, and they are changing the location also. So here we can make this characters jump thing and like this. So this is a second situation. So it is created and recorded, and like this it will be done, and we can add music, and yes, so later we can add the end. So like this in 3 parts we can create the story, and 5 parts also we can create story, and so many presentations available in a browser. Those are the models, and here you see again those 3 characters. You see so this is one more location. Here it is a playground. They can come to this place. So here it is an now so we can play like this here 1 2 3 start. So like this we can add the dialogues. Hello sir, let us play here. Okay, so now someone has to bring, who is there, so we have to basketball, we will play basketball like this. Okay, this boy and girls are playing, and this is the thing, and we can stop it. Okay, as much as we can add dialogues, and the thing happens, and also we can add music, and by this we can end that, and that is now ready, finish. So the movie is created. Now we can give title to it. Play. I want to give, and it is Sam. I am giving my name, and this is cover, and next. Okay, Anna, these things can be shown, and the voice is not here like this. The movie is ready, and we can create with this all these things. So that is available. Okay, we can export it, we can edit it, also we can delete it. So it is saving to the photo library, and it will be saved. Okay, these are the things I have shown to you, and it will be saved in your mobile, and later we can make use of it. So by this I'm ending this show, and if anybody wants to know anything, so we can show the videos also, but now it is not available. Okay, Narendra.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Sampath sir.
Thank you.
So thank you for your elaborated explanation regarding the two tools, animated tools, really wonderful. So though Sampath sir introduced you, that is a small introduction. You need to explore in that particular tool. You could do wonders. So as Sampath sir said, so initially I explored that tool, and when I found that, so I could not, I was helpless. So nobody guided me, but going on exploring, I could so produce a small lesson, that is Telangana, the pride of the people. I made that, and so I'll post it in the group. Sure, you can do that, and if you explore, the thing is you need to have a lot of patience. Venkateshwar sir. Venkateshwar sir, yeah. Will you conclude?
Yes, sir. Any questions, feedback from the
Okay, okay.
Sir, participants can ask questions if you have any doubts or any suggestions. Sir, I request the participants to respond, sir. Narendra, sir?
Yeah, I think they don't have any doubts. So once they go for practice, they'll get a lot of doubts.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I think they lost tomorrow in practice.
Sampath sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sirisha
Shirisha,
ma'am, please.
How to introduce forest and tiger, sir? Characters.
Character means, ma'am, we can export, means you can take image, no? We can add image like that in Tweencraft. We can take the image of that lion and all those things, and we can make use of it. So that is possible in that, but in Toontastic it is not possible. Whatever the animal, whatever the character is available, we can make use of them. And snake, like that, already 3D images are there, and that can be used in that, all the animals and characters. But in Tweencraft, we can add images of the different means animal size. You said we can take the image, and we can make use of the image in our situation or in the character with the characters.
you can
There-
import GIF image also, man.
that image can be
Lot
moved.
of GIF images will be, even if you could get the tiger also, tiger forest, whatever it may be. So you
First you download them, and you can
Yeah.
make use of those GIF files.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir. I created one, sir, but it doesn't look nice. That's why I'm.
Maybe.
try for GIF image, man.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Sampath, sir?
Sir.
Sir, I have known of something, some application, sir, that is Scratch. My son, he has a syllabus in 3rd class. It is also related to animation. Do you know about it?
Okay. So many are there, sir.
Yes,
So
yes.
these we have done something, and many means videos we prepared. Our teachers also prepared.
Yes, sir. I have
Even
watched
our
your
students.
videos in our that resource team, sir.
Yes.
The campfire.
Children
Yes.
also did many things.
Yes.
I would like to show. Anna, on YouTube it is available. Narendra sir,
Hello.
your video is available on ICT Dunia.
Yes. On ICT Dunya it is there.
Okay. I will. Okay.
Okay, Narendra sir, can I
Okay,
conclude now?
Yeah. Please come.
Okay, sir. We are very thankful to our guest today, Sampath Kumar sir, for teaching about animations, and his teaching is very nice. It is an interactive method, and he interacted very well with our teachers, and response also very good. And you told about 2 apps mainly, Tweencraft and Toontastic, and also who to use it, what is the use of it, why we use. So you told very nicely, sir. This class is very helpful and very interesting, and your class is first we face some struggle because of internet, but after that it is like a flight taking off. Your class went very smoothly, and definitely this class is very helpful to improve our skills. We will try to use these applications and use in our classroom activities, sir. And we have also watched your videos in our resource group. And we know in this class how to create animations, how to create characters, pictures, how to add sounds and dialogues, how to add the backgrounds, and how to create locations, how to create files, and how to save it, sir. Very useful, sir. And also we are thankful on behalf of our teachers to Diet Nalgonda, Baldas sir and Abbas Ali sir, and sorry, ELTA, and Diet Narendra Reddy sir, and Banu sir, and Manga Reddy sir, and also thankful to our participants. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. And today at 7 p.m. we have another class of Lingaswamy sir. So please join the meeting exactly at 7 p.m. And thank you, sir. Sampath sir, I think you are searching for something.
Yeah, you share otherwise.
Okay, okay.
That video only. Okay, thank you. You share it in your group.
Yeah, I'll share
Thank
it
you.
by group. Okay, sir. No
Okay, thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sampath sir. Thank you for your kind cooperation, and so you have accepted my invitation and joined this, and you made it really a great event. Thank you,
Thank you.
Sampath sir.
Thank you, Anna. Bye.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Narendra sir.
Yeah, bye.